All right, here's our list of lower body stretches. We're going to give you a few stretches that you can do post-workout. These are going to be things that are common immobility issues for the majority of people that we see. The first we're going to stretch out is the hip, okay? So we're going to take a knee, one knee up, one knee down. I'm going to keep my chest upright, and I'm going to try to drop my entire body weight forwards, okay? So I'm going to push forwards. Get a good stretch right here in the hip. I do not want to arch my back. I want to try to keep a nice neutral spine, okay? So I'm not leaning way back here. I'm just going to push forward. If I want to add a little bit extra to it, I can bring my arm up and lean towards this front leg. It starts to stretch out more of the hip and the psoas, all right? Hold it for about 45 seconds to a minute. Do it on each leg. The second one that we're going to do is what we call the couch stretch. We can do this against a wall. We can do it on the back of the couch. This is going to stretch out the quad. You're going to put your leg up and your knee straight into the ground. And we're going to lean back. Okay. The more vertical we can make our quad, the more of a stretch you're going to get on this movement. All right. Again, 45 seconds to a minute per side. I really like to do this one when I'm at home because you can do it on the couch and you don't jam your knee into the ground. The next is going to be a glute stretch. All right. I like to elevate my foot on this one. You can do it on the floor as well, but I find it a little bit more difficult and it requires a little bit more knee mobility. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to set our foot and our shin along the bench here. You can do it on the back of the couch. You can do it on a table, a bed, whatever. All right. You want a 90-degree angle here from your shin to your knee. All right, and you're just going to push down. You can change the angle of the stretch and change the way the stretch affects you by rotating your torso one way or another. All right, try to hold it 30 seconds to a minute per position. These next few stretches are super simple. We're going to stretch out the hamstrings and the adductors and groins. All right, we're going to use a band or a rope, whatever you want to use. We're going to lay down, loop the band around our foot, pull back, stretch out the hamstring. Hold for 45 seconds to a minute, then we rotate out, stretch out the groin, hold for 45 seconds to a minute, then we can come across our body. Same thing, 45 seconds to a minute. There you have it. 5 minutes and you stretch your lower body.